जे हांगच्यान पयलीं बोट येताली पळय 3 ऑगस्ट आतां पळय येवपाक बंद जाली. दॅट इज कंटेनर ट्रॅफिक. नाव कंटेनर ट्रॅफिक इज द मोस्ट क्लिनेस्ट ट्रॅफिक टुडे in the world. So everybody gives importance to the container traffic. Now how do you get container? Why it has stopped? Because जेन्ना कंटेनर मनीस कोण एक्सपोर्ट करपाक सोदता नाजाल्यार इम्पोर्ट करपाक सोदता थ्रू मार्मुगांव पोर्ट, इट हॅड टू ट्रॅवल टू द सिटी. ते सिटी वता आसतना वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लेम इज दॅट कंटेनर कॅनॉट गो टू द सिटी ड्युरिंग सर्टन टायमिंग्स. सो इट कॅन हॅपन ओनली at night. Now that the ship comes only once in 10 days, once in 15 days, we can't have that kind of thing. कित्याक जो केन्ना प्रोडक्शन as a CI, what study we have made with other industries, is that ताका समजा एक प्रोडक्ट धाडपा जाय, एक कंटेनर धाडपा जाय मेडिसिनाचो. नाव वेर्णा हॅज बिकम द हब ऑफ मेडिसिन मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग. पण ताका एक कंटेनरचो व्हॅल्यू आसता 5 कोटी रुपया. Now for him it is better to send by road, because come to Marmugao port itself he might take 16 hours or 18 hours or 20 hours, which is a 10 kilometer distance. During that period तुका तो कंटेनर पावता JNPT, आनी JNPTच्यान फुडें ताका कनेक्शन आसता वचपाक USA or Dubai or Europe. If he misses that, his product again lies there for another next till the next ship comes. So the endeavor from our side, that is CI side, is that the industry what is suffering and the container traffic which has stopped, how to start it the first. And most important for that is the this Verna highway which is connecting to the Marmugao port. Unless and until that is done, and once that is connected, then you will find that the traffic flow will be there. There is no timing restrictions will be there for the road with the containers to go, and it will be smooth flow. So तातले कितें प्रोडक्ट जर सांजचो रेडी जाता आनी फाल्यां जर बोट येवपा आसा जाल्यार एटलीस्ट विदीन 2 hours or 3 hours he'll be there with all the custom formalities which is there, and those medicines can reach fastest to the any part of the world. And now with our efforts, when we were the trustees of the Marmugao port, we thought we have made it compulsory for the Food and Drug Administration to have their office here. So आता जे सगळे फार्मास्युटिकल जे कंटेनर आसता पळय जे वतात डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम रोड, दॅट कॅन बी ट्रान्सपोर्टेड comfortably through the Marmugao port. So it will give us a clean cargo, clean business and faster transportation. It will benefit the industry, people also, and the Vasco City जे accident जाता पळय ते सगळे बंद जातले. So it will be a good win-win situation for both the people for this. And for that, containerization of cargo and movement of cargo, these vessels should come at least once a week. In fact, it should be per day, but we can work out with our bodies also, we can work out the daily service.